Hey guys, this is Anjum and welcome back to our channel Explore City. Today we're gonna explore the authentic Dubai Old Souk and also experience the traditional Abra ride. So come on, let's get started. This bustling Dubai Creek has been the lifeblood of the city for generations and continues to attract visitors year-round. For just 1 dirham, you can hop on one of many traditional boats known as Abras to cross the creek that separates Bur Dubai from Dera. These Abras or the water taxis run every few minutes throughout the day across stations along Dubai Creek. Each Abra holds about 20 passengers with 150 Abras working the two routes between Dera and Bur Dubai. Every journey only takes about 5 minutes. Riders usually sit on the central wooden bench for the short journey across. You can simply buy one-way ticket or you can even hire your own Abras for an hour to explore further till the creek. It will be better if you take the rides in the morning to admire the spectacular view of old and new Dubai, including traditional houses, towers and minars. So here we reach the Bur Dubai Souk. This souk is also known as the textile souk or the old souk. These souks have a unique charm of showcasing the region's cultural heritage with a variety of products from generational craftsmen. For example, visiting this souk can be a fascinating experience. The kind of hand-woven and the machine-made fabrics you find here are unlikely to be available at other places even within Dubai. For this reason, it is also called as textile souk. Want to get a flavor of old Dubai or looking for some traditional or non-branded clothing? Then head to this traditional market in the heart of Bur Dubai where you can buy a range of products and experience the charm of city's historic shopping destination. However, your shopping wouldn't be limited to just textiles. You will find numerous shops and stalls which will sell cotton, raw silk, wool, Kashmiri fabrics and also other accessories such as buttons, lace, perfumes and spices which will also catch your attention. Not to forget, here your bargaining skills will come in handy. Once your textile shopping is completed, you can head to any of the top tailors in this market itself to get your clothes stitched. The timings of the souk are as follows: from Saturday to Thursday 10 am to 10 pm, and on Fridays from 4 pm to 10 pm. Once you're done exploring the souk and also with your shopping, then you can head to these nearby places like the Dubai Museum, Al Fahidi District and Sheikh Mohammed Center for Cultural Understanding. If you are a history buff, then you are really gonna enjoy these places. Okay guys, so this was our Abra tip. I hope you all enjoyed it, and if you did, then do like, share and